In this video, I will show you how to make 9x16, 1:1, and 16:9 variants in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In OpusClip, you want to go to All Projects and find the video that you would like to change the ratio of. So for this specific video, OpusClip has created shorts or reels for me. So you can either go to Edit Clip or scroll to the bottom and you will see what looks like a cell phone with 9x16. If you click that, you will get the different options. So you have 9x16, which is for shorts, reels, and TikTok. You have 1:1, which is Instagram feed or Facebook. And then you have 16:9, which is YouTube, LinkedIn, and platforms like that. So if you would like to change it, you simply click it, and then OpusClip will start processing your video and changing your aspect ratio. So you can see that update aspect ratio successful. Once it has completed, you can then export your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.